If you write it and don't get it out there, then no one's going to see it.
One of the reasons I wanted to do creative writing actually was to learn about kind of the marketing side of things.
My unique value proposition is to get writers to think realistically about how their writing affects readers.
In today's world, you're nuts not to have a social media presence.
Marketing slows you down and forces you to plan.
It's not just creating the cover.
You're thinking about the size of the market.
It's not just writing the press release.
You're thinking about the target audiences in that market.
Doing market research.
You're looking at competitors.
Thinking about where this book is going to be positioned within the market.
What kind of readers, what do they like?
What's going to make readers want to pick up your book.
Some readerships might be very offline, others might be very online.
There's so many moving parts.
These are the tools that marketing always uses.
I feel like I've got all the pieces there with my marketing plan.